Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. I am so excited to share this one, so let's get right into it. Today we're unboxing, assembling, and reviewing the Dreambox by Create Room. I have wanted one of these for years, and I finally have one of my very own. I originally wanted it to simply organize my space, but I've now discovered so many more benefits to having this piece in my workspace. My sewing table wasn't terrible, but I lacked storage, so the Dreambox has been an amazing way to get all of my sewing essentials into one organized and cohesive area. The Dreambox arrived on a large crate, and of course, it was delivered on a cold day with a chance of snow, which honestly was a bit surprising since I live in the South because here, when it snows, the whole world just kind of shuts down. But our delivery driver was a trooper and he stayed right on schedule. I was so excited to get started. My husband helped me bring each box inside from the large crate outside, and we got straight to work. There was a pre-assembled option, but I decided to build myself to save on the extra cost. I was a bit nervous at first when I saw the instructions and the number of pieces involved, but the directions were actually really easy to follow. I also had a lot of help from my husband. I'm not sure I could have assembled some parts of the cabinet on my own, so if you're building it yourself, I'd recommend having a partner to help if possible. One thing to note, this cabinet is huge. Be sure to measure the depth and total length, especially when the doors are fully open. Create Room has measurements on their website, which really helped me figure out where I wanted to place it before I even ordered. I had so much fun organizing this thing. I've been wanting somewhere to store all my fabric neatly because the fabric obsession is real. And until now, I had it all crammed into a tiny cabinet in my hallway, and it was constantly overflowing. I would waste so much time going back through and refolding everything. But the Dreambox totes have been a lifesaver for this. They come in multiple sizes, so I store my heavier fabrics and longer cuts in the large and medium totes, and then in the small totes, I store scraps and smaller pieces. At first, I had all of my washi tapes hanging on the door, and I thought they were just so cute, but it wasn't practical. Every time I wanted to grab a specific tape, I'd have to pull the whole rod off. So I decided to move them into a tote for easier access, but I did still include the footage because it was really cute and it just shows the many options you have with organizing the Dreambox. It was honestly a little weird for me filling my Dreambox up because I am not used to having so much storage. There's a place for everything: sewing notions, cutting tools, fabric, Cricut supplies, paper crafting materials, paints, markers, pens. I could go on. There are actually totes that I haven't even filled yet, and as you'll see, I still have quite a bit of door space to add more supplies to. The small and medium totes came with tote dividers, and you can add up to two in the medium totes if you need them. I just added one for this bin so that there would be a larger section for the longer things that I wanted to store in there. I made the tote covers using my Cricut to give my Dreambox a pretty theme, and I'll be sharing a tutorial for it soon, so stay tuned for that as well. I'm still in the process of rearranging and figuring out the best system for my needs, but I wanted to share an initial review before diving into any more sewing projects. If you're inspired by the Dreambox and want to enhance your crafting space, you can use my link in the description to get a discount when you purchase. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'd be happy to do an update or review in a few months to show if anything has changed. Leave a comment below if you'd like to see that or if you have any questions. As always, thanks for watching.